Okay, so Frank, years and years and years ago, I stopped by your place. I saw these bears. I thought I'd like to have one. I thought, but I can't afford this bear, $400. And so I took a chainsaw and a log and I took all kinds of pictures of your bears and sideways, backwards, all kinds of things, and went out there and tried to carve a bear. It didn't look anything like your bear. I was so disappointed. So I sold it for $400 and I tried again. And you've been helping me kind of over the years to, learn how to carve bears. My style is quite a bit different than yours, but I've carved hundreds of bears and sold them and made my way to Edisto Beach. That's how I pay for my trips. And but anyway, this has been an inspiration for me hanging out with you and you teaching me all this stuff all these years. So I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm glad I could help.
Well, yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Thanks.
Bye. Can you speak? What? Okay. No. Can you shake? You can't shake? Can you shake? All right, never mind. How about show me your teeth? Show me them teeth. Show me them teeth. Over here. Show me them teeth. Show me them. All right. Now give them a smile. Come on, you can do better than that. Give them a smile. That's better. Getting kind of lazy on the smile. Now, come on up here. Put your head down, say your prayers. Okay. Now I want you to lay down. Instantly fly into action. Lay down. All right, you want dead? Jump. Oh, come on, jump. That's better. Now I want you to go to bed. All the way to bed. All right, never mind. Come on. Come on back and go in the bathroom. In the bathroom. All the way in the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
Great then, too. All right, come on out of there.
She's thirsty.
Come on out of there. There's trash is on the floor here. Okay, go behind the counter and smell for money. I should bring it up.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Money.
Found a 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see if you can get me a screwdriver. Hurry up. Get me the screwdriver. Hurry up, get that screwdriver. The pliers. The hammer. Now get your treat, bring it here. It's a piece of steak. You want this? You do? Okay. Take it and eat it in that room. Take it nice now. And stay in there. Alright, now you can go outside and eat.
Is that the end?
No.
No.
Actually, a couple more trips. Alright. You gotta back up. Can you roll over? She has a hard time with this one. You gotta roll over if you're gonna get more cheese. Alright, good girl. Now we'll do one more, but we gotta go out and back.
Okay. We're going.
Lady, we'll get up on that log. And go over where that other log is. You'll see her climb up the ladder behind the log. All right, lady, go around, go up the ladder.
Telling her to go around and go up the ladder. Oh, she's coming around this way.
Wow, that was amazing.
Now I want you to Go over there and get on the log.
Go over there and get on a log, he said.
Atta girl, sit down and relax. Get back. Get back up on the log. Now sit down and relax. All right, now you can come down.
She must really like that string cheese.
It's her favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like it too.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, well, thank you. You're a swell guy.
Time to go in the house now. She'll open the door.
She'll open
All
the
the
door.
way in the house. That's it.
That's it. There he is. Okay, Frank, thank you. Margaret and I just finished hiking through the mountains. And we went to Ravencliff Falls. And we had to stop in here. Frank does carving here. And so we just stopped in for 10 minutes to see him. And him and I used to do a lot of bears. And this sign is a sign that I did. Welcome to Bear Country Chiropractic. And I made this sign, and once I got out of chiropractic and retired, I brought the sign to him. And so this is where I kind of learned how to carve the bears I carved. And so anyway, we're just making a quick stop and on our way out of here to head home. Anyway, say hello and say goodbye.
Hello and goodbye.
So Vicki, this Airbnb was your idea. I was not excited about it, but you kind of talked me into it. And we've just taken the bears that I've carved over the years and we've put them in here to make our Bear Country Hideaway. And so you're the one that's responsible for all this. You know that, right? Okay, thank you.